Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to get infinite money in the game Unfair Flip. Let me just do some flips and get some money so I can show you how it works. Okay, as you can see, now we have $0.01, and usually you just type in the value shown here into the cheat engine. Let me show you. Cheat engine, choose Unfair Flip, process, and open. And you see the value 0.01. You choose float, rounded extreme, and usually you would input this number into the box of value and you do first scan. But believe me, the value shown here is not the actual value of the money. It's only the written value, the value shown on the screen, and not the actual value. So what you need to do, is go unknown initial value, do first scan with float. You see 61,392,000 results. You do some more flips. Wait for it. And the value increases. You go increase value. Next scan. And now you spend the money. And you see it decrease. You choose decrease value. Next scan. And now you flip again. And you go unchanged value. Next scan. Flip again. And increase value. Next scan. Increase value. Next scan. Now let's spend some money. 0.2 second flip time. And now we choose decrease value. And we choose unchanged values. We choose increase value. Increase value again. Yeah, it's now 1000 results. Okay, so now we spend the money. 0.5 head combo multiplier. And now we go decrease value. We go increase value. Increase value again. Again. Increase value again. Increase value again. Okay, now it's stuck at 6. Now we can try to go to unchanged values. Next scan. Ooh, doesn't change anything. Okay. Increase value. Okay, now we have one value left. See this? Now I'm gonna tell you, if you were to say input the value of $0.10, you would never find this value. What is value? Let me 1.401298464 e minus 44. I mean, how can we find that value? There's no way. If we just type in this value, you will never find this value. Okay, so you have to find it with unknown initial value first, and then go increase, decrease, increase, decrease, and unchanged. Use those kind of scan types. Okay, now all you need to do is change the value from this value right here, 1.401298464 e minus 44, to a simple 1. And 1, you see, 1. And now look, when I flip the coin, oh, look, all I need is to flip the coin, and now it's like 1,000,000, let's see, 10,653,532.16. And let me show you that it actually works. Done. And now it's super fast, super fast, super fast. Head chance 60%. Now I won't bore you with showing you. Oh, maybe I will, because let's be honest. If you reach this point, you want me to show you that I have 10 heads and I want to win the game. Okay, so Wait, let's wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Yep, and this is the end. The game ended, and the coin fly up into the sky, and this guy look at the coin, look at you, and we both don't know where the coin goes. So as you can see, total flip 203, and I can bet you top dollar that if you didn't cheat, this number of total flips would be in about 1,000 plus flips or more. So if you cheat, it will save you a lot of time. So I hope watching me cheat and finish the game will help you hunt down all the achievement in this game as well. Thank you for listening and watching this video until the end. Goodbye.